Hello, welcome to Chat with Robot, and my channel is free and open source project for AI and Robot Studio. In this lesson, I will introduce you how to use Robot Studio from zero to hero with no prior knowledge necessary. So if you're new, please subscribe. All the files and folders would be in the description box. Now we'll learn about modeling. In this module, we'll expand on working with geometry and also create a mechanism. We will create a robot cell for debugging a motor housing and then duplicate it in order to do an opposite-handed version of the same part. Now we will start by building a station and later import geometry and assemble them into a working mechanism. This mechanism could be later used as the basis for a smart component. Now we would import the spindle tool from library from the folder in the description. Now we would import and adjust the fence. The specs as follow. Now we change the length of the fence wall. Set it as follows. In the modeling tab, select solid box to represent a concrete floor. We're gonna decorate the appearance of the floor. And now let's save the station. Now we're gonna learn about how to create a mechanism. Overall, we will import geometry and assemble them into a working mechanism. This mechanism could later be used as the basis for a smart component. Add the stand, tool, fence, and controller to the same tag. We're gonna import the geometry from the courseware folder. we're gonna mount the slide on the slide frame. Zoom in on the slide in graphics so that the holes on the end of the tubes can be viewed. Place the cursor in the x value of the primary point of the place object, and then snap to the center of the hole on the part in the graphics window. The values should populate as shown. The details would be in the PDF in the description box. Now we're gonna create the mechanism. Gonna add links to the mechanism. We're gonna add a joint. To make all device work, we need to define the joint between the two links. A frame. A frame will create an attachment point for any fixture, part, etc. that we may wish to attach to the slide in the future. Now we're gonna save the mechanism. Now we're gonna learn about importing the fixture and working with part geometry. In the next steps, we would import a fixture, attach it to our mechanism, and then place a part in the fixture. We'll learn about place the part in the fixture. The detailed mouse motion would be in the PDF file in the description box. We would learn how to create the casting. Now we're gonna learn about creating an alternate-handed fixture and part. In next steps, we would use more modeling tools to make an alternate-handed part and fixture. The first is import a second my slide from the courseware folder. The second is import a second fixture from the courseware folder. And the third is use the mirror, the fixture tool. Learn about creating a mirror part. Detail about the mouse motion would be included in the PDF in the description box. Learn how to finish the cell layout. In next steps, we will finish the cell layout by repositioning the second slide uh, and then adding a second robot, tool, fence, and cabinet. Now we'll learn about mirror path. In the next steps, we will mirror a path made from the geometry model housing. So it fits the park and motor housing. Then we will transfer the mirror path to the second robot. First, we need to create a mirror plane frame. When we mirror the path, we need to define a mirror plane. This plane must be placed in the center of the park motor housing. Therefore, we will create a frame in this position.